In today's video, we're wheel swapping a 2023 Nissan Z Hot Wheels. And of course, we're going to be wheel swapping it out with some real riders with some real rubber. This one came out of the box without a rivet attached. But you want to get the rivets just enough so that they can just pop the bottom off, but they'll snap back on. So what you do is you go carefully until you get a ring pop. We call it the ring pop. Anyway, from back to the front. Take some tweezers with the curled end, and with the small, so you can just get it underneath the axle. Pop it nicely out of there, quick, fast. This one's got a double. This one doesn't have the 3-prong. Then you want to take your wheels with the axles on them. You want to see if they'll pop in to those little prongs there. If not, I just come in with the tweezers and lightly open those up. These ones will have to be opened up too. This one came with the rivet already messed up on the back. So what I do is I take some sticky tack and just make a little ball on each rivet, push it down a bit. This one is bad. Push it down a bit, and then when you push your base on, it'll squeeze through a little bit. It'll squeeze through a little bit, and then I just take that and push it out around. You can do like just like a flathead screwdriver look, and then there, it's good. Wheel swap complete.